Hi guys, today we're gonna make a makeup. I already have two of them, this time was the easy one. It's put it, you would like dip it here in the color you like pink, orange, what color you like. Then you dip, if you want blue, you grab it and like you put it in here. And the other eye too. Do you want the other color? You can like put the other color like orange. You can put it too. And this time we can make a key again, like this one. Okay, let's start. Then first we have the two paper for. The blue can be for the blue can be for this one, and the yellow can be for this one, the big one. Okay, let's start first. Okay. Very easy. To do this and now here. Oh, it's more straight than I never ever seen it before. So here. Okay. Okay. It. And now again to dry this. Okay, that's this color. Okay, this could be the front of it. Okay, let's make the mouth really big. Now let's do the eyes. This is because it's really good to me. Done. It's really hard to put the cap on. Here. The thing just fell out. Actually, we need to bake now. Okay. And it's hard. I just can make with scissors. Oh, that's the right scissors. Done. Okay, done. Let's put this thing. I think it's not good enough. Oh! This is just the wrong one. The long one I meant this one. Oh! This one was the hard one. Again, one more, and done. here. And now we are done with the tape. Now let's color the little thing right here. Okay. We need to pink, orange, yellow, there. And this color too. This color is one of my favorites. Wait. I grabbed this one. The strings. This sticky bit. And purple. And then this color's coming spare. Now let's start. Okay. Okay, let's like grab a black tool to make the circle. Like a billion hundred circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. This one goes to cat. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have like a point of circles. Let's start. Okay, let's start with purple. To make a darker purple this time. And okay, I want this one too. Okay. Oh, it's sticking to me. Okay, done. Now let's get orange. The darker. Okay, done. And the orange. This one is not normal. This is gold. They're really gold. Let's make a golder. A little more gold. Done. And now, let's start with green, the light green, and now this one. Here. And the other but the color pink now. It's not gonna look so pinker. Three pinks. This one gonna look so pretty pink. The last one. Okay. Wait, where's the other blue? Oh, here. Forgot. The other blue. This one really looks more different. Oh no, it's green. I remember. We don't get to make blue. But this one looks blue. Okay. We need more two colors still to go. Let's put the blue. Really blue. Well, it's not blue, it's black. It looks white. Let's put the big dark black. Oh, Okay, the last color gonna be this one, the purple. Ooh. Oh, almost got any tape. Done. Done. Now let's make. Now we're done with this. Oh, we made it sideways. Now let's make our brush with the blue. Okay, we need to good first. Here. Done. Okay, let's start with this to make the lines. Here. Okay, almost done. And we are done. Oh, the other color now. Oh, done. Now let's. Okay, use this color. Okay, L O V E. It spells slow. Think that's way. Excuse me. Let's pick pink. They're my favorite colors. The heart. And we are done with the heart. And after we can make it done. We're done with the color of the heart. Okay. Oh. Done. We are done with that. Now the cute thing I add is I put I love you as you love me. I don't have that. Only love. Wait, let me put in the other one. Oh, this is really big. Well, no, this is the really biggest one in the down. Yeah, that is bigger. Even bigger than this. This is more bigger than that. Oh. Okay. If this keeps like this. Okay. Then with color cake, I can grab pink. A pink. Okay. Let's go in. The first one. Into this one. But it's hard. And put this. Done. And I can put like this. It'll be sticky. That's a good idea. No, it can be like straight. Oh, yeah, it keeps flying away. Okay. Well, let's use purple. Oh. Done. And green. Done. We're back. The cutest thing it says lovely. Bye. See you later in my next video.